Hello guys, I got something to show you. Sorry. Guys, it's a fire alarm police station. That's just Rick's phone ringing. Well, this is a fire alarm. I'll show you.
Dang it.
And that's how you pull it down.
My phone was ringing. I didn't have it with me.
So this is a fire alarm police station, and it has a button. T-bar fire alarm. So it's gonna be called so. So guys, I think what you need. So I showed you this fire alarm. I'm gonna get a different police station too. Let me reset this. There you go. Oh.
Hello.
There you go. I reset it. So guys, this is the key. So I need to leave it in because I don't want to lost it. So. Well, I know what I have. Well, this is Simplex. And it has a back for the wires. So guys, don't subscribe to this channel. So in the last vlog, I think what this says, you're uploading video or not. I don't know. I don't know what the last vlog is. So I think I just go on this channel and say later. Bye.